Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, we're in the garage. They are coming to do the termite inspection today. And so we need to make sure that they're able to see the ground. So of course over here, there are things down that we need to just move. So we're going to get those things moved right now. Close this, put it here so I can get up on top. So we're getting ready to move some stuff to see, make sure it's all what it needs to be. Okay, all right. What is it, paper towels? What else we got? Move that back over there or over here. One. The dog food can go out. We just need to move everything up this way so that they can just look. Dog food can go out. This should be in the garden. I can't hear you.
Yo estoy comiendo.
This is trash.
I'm just trying to work in some Spanish food. Every day. Everything is coming off. How is it? Is that how far you want it? You want it further?
I can't hear you.
Is that how far you want it? You want it further?
I just want it moved up so that they can look
Okay.
at the foundation, so that they're able to look over here. Because I might have to move some stuff. Sorry. And you want to tell me how those, see how this medicine that's still here, right?
Alrighty, you guys, so I headed over to the Dollar General today, trying to do one of the Dollar General deals I saw on TikTok. I didn't exactly get it right, but I was able to get some off. I'm going to give it another try next week.
All right, you guys, so here's what, this used to house all of our games. Let me show you our games, right? All of these games used to be in that thing over there, right? My kids don't play games anymore at all. So all of these are going. I had one lady who wanted a couple, some those for her. These are all going to Goodwill. This is a bag of clothes that sister has is sending to Goodwill. So we're sending all this out to Goodwill. What that does is that leaves me this cabinet. This used to be like a music cabinet. You can see where they took the music piece out and now it's hollowed out. So I needed a little bit of space for blankets and some curtains, things, right? But this space that I have right here, what I'm going to do is I am going to make this like a sideboard where I'm putting things like stuff we're not using often that's in my kitchen. Like I've got, why are we arguing? What's the argument? What's the argument? What's the argument? Why are we arguing? Why we gotta argue though? We gotta argue though? Arguing is the way, the truth. Jesus is the way. We gotta argue though? Jesus is the way. So I'm gonna put some stuff in here that is not being used, that's in my coffee cabinet, so that I can get all of the child, I am filming the whole time and ain't nothing filming, y'all. Okay, so we got everything out from down here. We're going to put 2 crock pots down there. And then we're going to pull all of this coffee stuff out of this bottom one, because I'm more than likely going to be able to put the dehydrator down there. I'm looking, I think I got some space here that I can put some of this coffee stuff up and then put the dehydrator down here. Right now I don't have any coffee pods, but I'm going to get some for Friendsgiving. So I'm going to move this black thing up here. Okay. This is where the composter generally goes, but we don't have the composter in the house right now because I'm out of the, oh Lord. I'm out of the things that you use, the carbon thing to keep it from smelling bad. I'm out of that, and I have not reordered it. So for right now, at this minute, it's outside because it is at a place where it's starting to smell. So I'm actually gonna move I'm gonna move this coffee thing over, just restock this coffee cabinet so that it looks good for Friendsgiving. Okay, you guys, I got that cabinet cleaned out and I got some stuff shifted around. And so now it's Sunday and we're getting ready to do Sunday supper. So I'm just going to get the rest of the house cleaned up before I start the video for Sunday suppers. But I'm going to turn my camera around and let you see this cabinet real quick. All right, y'all. So this is the coffee cabinet, of course. So I went ahead and moved all those glasses up here. And I've got to fill this with coffee pods for Friendsgiving. I'm not going to do it now until then. These are the coffee mugs that we have. This is tea. And then down here, I do have a few coffee supplies in here. This is a dehydrator. My 2 crock pots are here. Now, all the stuff that was down there, we moved over to the buffet type situation. And I'm getting ready to get some waters put up there. I need to replace those boards because they're bowing. So I really need to replace that. It's just not been on my mind as of this moment. But that's all cleaned. Of course, I'll run these glasses through the cycle before we do Friendsgiving to make sure everything is nice and clean. I may get 1 or 2 more coffee syrups. Not sure. And then I have some sugar down here that I'll move up when it's time for that. We'll also have flavored creamers and different things. So I thought that was a better look because I just want people to have what they want. If they desire coffee, if I make a big pot, then I'm going to have to pour it out if people don't drink it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get the dishes taken care of so that I can start with cooking for Sunday supper. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. All right, dishes are done. All the dishes are taken care of. And sister is getting ready to start doing her meal prep for her Sunday. I mean, for her week. And so I'm getting ready to start Sunday suppers. Not Sunday suppers, but I'm getting ready to use these items to cook with that we have left over from Sunday suppers. So there it is, you guys. The things we've done over the last couple of days. We do want to thank you all so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe. I'm getting ready to cook with rotisserie chickens and do a few meals with those chickens. We appreciate you so much. Just want to thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.